To do our activity, please go get a nickel and 3 pennies. If you do not have these items, it is okay. Please just go and get something that you can use that will slide around on the table. It is important that you have one item that looks different than the other 3. In this case, I will be using my nickel to perform the energy transfer to the other pennies, and it is easier to see when the items are different. So again, nickel. If you don't have a nickel, you can use a quarter or another coin. And then 3 coins that are the same. Or if you just have smaller items, then you may use those as well. Remember, sound energy travels in a wave. The particles that help the transfer of that energy only move a little, but the sound keeps going. This experiment will help you do that. I have now set my experiment up, and I'm going to go ahead and begin. Check out what I do and see if you can make it on your own. For this experiment, I have my nickel and my penny. I'm going to place the nickel and penny on the desk, and then, without ever touching the penny, my job in this experiment is to make both coins move. I will give you guys a chance to pause the video and continue on down the track to see if you can complete this activity first. Please pause the video, and when you're finished trying, continue on down the track. And let's start this learning train again and show you what it is that needs to happen. All right, so again, all I'm going to do with this part of the experiment, I am not allowed to touch the penny, but of course I can touch the coin. These are representing particles. As I make the sound's going to come to my first particle and of course hit the next particle, thus transferring the energy. Notice how this coin stayed pretty much where it was after it collided or had a collision with the other particle, but now this particle has now been able to move. Again, I never touched the penny. Instead, I just touched the nickel. And with the energy that I put into the nickel then transferred that energy onto the penny. Let's continue and do another experiment, investigation number 2.